It's Lake Miralgul, a high mountain lake situated at an elevation of approximately 1,910 meters. It covers an area of around 23 hectares and has a maximum depth of 60 to 61 meters. It was created following a major earthquake in 1139. The lake is enclosed by forests and mountainous terrain. Its name, Miralgul, literally means deer lake, as deer were once abundant here. It's renowned for its crystal clear waters, serene surroundings, and is considered one of the most beautiful mountain lakes in my country.